me up.
You need to relax.
Don't quit pulling me apart. She's pulling me that way. And I'm kicking myself in the ass for whipping my 43-year-old cousin with a switch. I don't care no more. I don't care no more. She lied on me. She got a few pops.
I have your life in my hands. I can either massage it or I can squeeze it and make it really hurt. Mr. Torres, do you understand? Ms. Pope, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
On May 11, 2024, officers were dispatched in response to a family disturbance. Complainant described that the defendant was hitting her with a brittle wooden stick approximately 15 to 20 times all over her body, causing her pain. The wooden stick was approximately 7 to 8 inches in length, and the complainant stated that she broke the wooden stick while hitting her and felt the most pain when hit in the face with the wooden stick. The complaining witness wishes to pursue charges.
So who is the complaining witness in relation to Ms. Pope?
Your Honor, I read the DIMS. It didn't say. The officers did respond in response to a family disturbance, but I don't see the relation. And the complaining witness's voicemail is not set up, so we haven't been able to.
So who is Miss Nicole Knitz to use that?
43 years old, and she got whipped with a stick. This is about to get wild.
An acquaintance?
That is my 43-year-old cousin that had been raising hell for 8 hours in front of my aunt's house. And I had enough. I'm sorry. I gave her.
Don't say anything about the case. Is it possible to keep you guys separated? I mean, who?
Sure. Yes, sir. For Pete's
Does this
sake.
person live in relation to where you live?
Well, I used to live there with my elderly mother's youngest sister.
So that's your mother's sister?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I used to live there, and then she had a fallout with her, the father of her child. At 2 o'clock in the morning, she demanded that I have to leave my place where I've lived for a year, worked hard. My place of residence with my mother's youngest sister for nearly a year at 2 o'clock in the morning. And
the only thing I would like, it's okay, Ms. Pope. The only thing that I would like is for you not to have contact with this person. As long as you can do that, you and I will be fine. Okay? Would you like me to appoint you a lawyer today?
sir,
Okay.
I'll appreciate that.
I will appoint your lawyer today. The only other thing I'm going to ask you is please show up to court. When you show up, good things happen. I'm telling you that because we have 2 times that you've missed court today or since then. All I'm asking you to do is show up. I will give you a lawyer today, explain your side to the lawyer, and then they can work out with the DAs. And I'm sure that we'll be able to work something out. Okay.
Okay, Your Honor, I would like to say one thing. I don't want to defend anybody. The day that I had court, that's when it was flooding a few Fridays ago. The schools were closed. My elderly mother came with me. The courts were closed. 2 days later, she had a seizure, scared me to death. So I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Notice how calm the judge is right now? Yeah, enjoy that while it lasts.
Nothing's happening to you today. We're not taking you into custody. We're not doing anything to you. I'm letting you know I want you to show up from now on. That's it. That's it. But I will give you a lawyer so you can always explain your side to the lawyer. And if there are any issues, you can always relay that to the lawyer and he can come and talk to me, or she can talk to me as well. Okay? So for now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. We will have you just take your seat in the jury box while we find you a lawyer. We'll have you talk to this person, and then we'll figure out where we go from here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
And here it goes. She just asked the judge to lock her up so her mom can leave.
All right, why don't y'all do me a favor and just lock me back up so my mom can go home. I know my mother very well. I see the complete exhaustion in her face, and I'll be damned if she's going to go back to the hospital with a seizure go home. How many hours have we been here, Mother, since 8 o'clock this morning? No, I refuse. Do what you have to do. If I have to call the city or go back to jail, she is not good. She wanted to be here and support me.
Ma'am, come up.
She shouldn't have to suffer, Your Honor.
Come up. Come up. She's doing better than you're
No,
doing.
she's not. I know my mother. Look at, she is fucking beyond exhausted. I am not gonna have it. I am not, and I am kicking myself in the ass for whipping my 43-year-old cousin with a switch. I don't care no more. I don't care no more. She lied on me. She got a few pops. And this thing about hitting her in the face to the stick broke, you're kidding me right now. You are kidding me.
She's
I'm a good
doing,
person.
she's great.
No,
Look at her.
she's not great. You don't know my mother. I'm watching her over.
2 strokes, 3 seizures, 1 month. She's not wrong about her mom. She's just handling it like this.
Their toes. You weren't there 2 weeks ago when she was going like this in the middle of the night and having a seizure and bit her tongue and spitting blood. I'm not having it. Lock me up. Lock me up or whatever. Let her go. No, I shouldn't have to be in this many fucking hours.
You need to relax.
No.
You're creating.
My back is fucking hurt. I am beyond pain. I can only imagine what she feels like at almost 80 years old. No, no, no. I'm living. I can't take no more of this crap. 5 days in jail, 3 days on a concrete floor, disabled. No, no, no. Inhumane. No.
I'm right. I'm all right.
No.
I have a lawyer coming here momentarily. We call any minute. I don't know why she's carrying on like this. I think that you're doing fantastic. She's sitting there being completely just fine.
That's how she was the other night. Yeah, a couple weeks ago when she had a seizure and started biting her tongue and fucking seizing out and shit and had to go to the doctor. She's had 2 strokes and 3 seizures in 1 month. I know my mama. She's been there for me. I appreciate everything. I'll be damned if I sit over there and watch her just dozing and feeling like this. No, because of my shit. So do what you have to do.
She's fine.
Do what you have to do.
Do we have the lawyer coming?
Oh my God.
Okay. Would you like to sit in this chair, Miss Pope? I have this black chair there that's more comfortable. Would you like to sit there? Tracy, do you mind taking your stuff off? You can sit right there and wait. They should be here any moment. Look, it's nice and soft. It's not a problem. Really. Ricardo, did you get a point for this
I gotta
case?
be able to drive back to Katie and drive her home back to Katie. No, I'm exhausted. She's exhausted. This is ridiculous. Well, shit, everybody just stare at me because I'm in fucking pain and I don't feel good and I'm concerned about my mom. Stop staring at me. Okay, I have anxiety disorder. I have PTSD because I had the fuck beat out of me by my father. And if you don't believe me, ask my father. No.
Come on, get up.
The lawyer, ma'am, your lawyer is here now.
Do what you have to do.
You can talk to her back.
Quit pulling me apart. She's pulling me that way. She's pulling you over.
You're gonna have to see it calm down. You're not gonna act like that.
I don't care. You're not gonna pull me one way. Her pull me.
Sam.
Go ahead and have a seat.
She's pulling me one way. She's pulling me the other way.
Mom was doing, you were doing great. I don't know. Just, she's no patience. This is a ticking time bomb, you know? I mean, really. My gosh. Hey, Sam, see if you can diffuse the situation. She was just very upset because it took quite a while, but I mean, that's when you get an appointed lawyer, sometimes it takes. Mom's here. She's doing great. She's still doing fine. So I think I don't think she just wanted to wait. She was just getting impatient and throwing a fit. So
I was in ERD and.
yeah, I mean, I'm not going to hold her in contempt. I'm not going to do anything. Just see if you can calm her down and then.
She says she's bad. Okay, I'm gonna talk to her.
Have an offer on the case, guys?
We don't, but I just wanted to discuss it with him before.
Yeah, for sure. Should do no drugs, no alcohol now, man.
It's not going.
She's having a panic attack, you remember?
Yeah.
The DA1 sheet showed that she had a panic disorder.
It's not going.
Right. No, I think you're not. Yeah, I think you hit the nail on the head. That's.
I'm sure drugs don't help it, but it's not drug.
No, but I think, Logan, you're right. I think that's exactly what it's. Hopefully back there alone for a minute will.
I'm staring.
Tracy, I think that's it. Once you, I mean, we're pretty much done. Guys, I think we're pretty much done. I don't know.
You want me to print you off? Maybe tomorrow,
Yeah, I mean, let's. If I try to put any conditions on now, she's gonna lose it even more.
Yeah.
You know, now that she has a lawyer, she won't have to wait as much. I think that was the big issue. So Sam's great. He's really good at, you know, right. He's so easygoing that it really, hopefully that easygoingness will kind of. Stephen, has she calmed down yet?
She's calming down. She's finally giving Sam her information, so.
Okay. I mean, let's let her go.
Once that happens, we can get her out of here so she can go get her pain meds or whatever she needs.
Do you want to give her do you have the reset ready or no? Okay. You have a great lawyer here, Miss Pope. Sam is as easygoing as great as can be. We're just going to let you go today. Just be careful. All we want you to do is come back. That's the only thing you have to do is come back and stay in contact with Sam. That's
Yeah, I
it.
want to, sir. It's not my fault it flooded and the courthouse was closed and my mom had a seizure and went in the hospital.
Miss Pope,
That wasn't my choice.
don't worry about it. You're fine. There's nothing to worry about. All we want you to do is come back and stay in contact with Sam. That's it. And don't pick up any new cases.
No, man, I'm too old for that. I have a grandmother and 4 children. I don't want no trouble, but she needed a whooping with a stick. That's all I have.
It's all right.
Say.
I'm gonna go grab my card. Let's get you out of here, okay?
Okay, we'll get you out. We'll give you a reset. Good luck, ma'am, and then we'll see you in a month. Okay.
Just walk around here, sign your name right here.
Yeah, we're gonna get you. This is my purse over there by my mom.
Do you have a purse?
Here's my purse.
Do you have her purse? Yeah.
She's somebody little purse.
Thank you. You're doing great. Thank you.
This is Angel Torres. You asked me to be here today because of curfew violation on bond violations.
Oh, you don't want to do your plea.
But we wanted to plead, but you also wanted to address that, I guess.
Are we doing a plea on Torres?
Yes.
Yes, you're right.
Right here. Rivera, go ahead and sign for your reset.
But you'd also requested him here for bond violation because he had some curfew violations, people he was working. And I guess you just wanted to explain that.
You know what this is? This is a contract that you and I are entering into now. I have your life in my hands. I can either massage it or I can squeeze it and make it really hurt, Mr. Torres. Do you understand? It's not a game. It's not a joke. And you're facing a year. And from what I get, You just don't get it. And if it's a lengthy jail sentence, that's what it's going to take. Then that's what it's going to take. But I'm tired of the games. And what you're doing now is you're entering into a deferred where you muck this thing up. You're looking at an entire year. And I have no problems doing that to you because this is your third case within the last, 6 months?
Second case.
Third case. He had an evading, he had an assault that was dismissed, and now this is another assault. Did you graduate from high school?
He's in his senior year, Judge. He's going to be in high school, and he'll graduate in May of next year. That's one of the conditions of probation is to stay in school.
Great. So while he is in school, we'll waive the community service, okay? If you do not graduate from high school, you will be doing high school with me behind bars. Do you understand, Mr. Torres? You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. This deferred is a type of probation that if you complete it successfully, you don't end up with conviction. But I'm telling you, you give up nearly every right known to man by entering into this agreement, saying that, hey, I can make this thing. And if you don't, you authorize me to put you in jail for an entire year. So far, we have, how many BVRs do we have, Carl? So far,
There's 3 curfew violations, Judge, and they were all like about 7 o'clock at night because he was working landscaping and his employer didn't bring him back home until the jobs were done. But there were 3 curfew violations. He didn't have any curfew violations when he was in school. School's over now for the summer, of course. And this is the one we were trying to get him to work out.
So the enter at 1:58 a.m. in the morning,
I was looking at the other one, 7:30.
what are you doing at 1:58 in the morning, Mr. Torres?
He's asking you a question. What were you doing at 1:58 in the morning?
Working, sir. I was finishing a couple of jobs and then I had to clean all my foot. I had to clean the weed eater and the lawnmower.
His mother's in court from too, Judge, in case it matters if you want
Sure.
to talk to her. If you want her up.
Sure. Does she speak English?
Yes. She speaks both languages.
Yes, sir.
Hi. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it. We've had a lot of problems with Mr. Torres. A lot of problems. This is his 3rd case. He can't stay out of trouble and he does whatever he wants to do. Doesn't care who tells him what. We have no impact on him. I told him to stay at home and I gave him a curfew just so that he could stay out of trouble. 3 times he had violated that, 1 time coming home at 2 in the morning. Sure.
The Saturday that we made a surprise birthday party for my husband, his 60th birthday. That's the only time that he stayed out late.
What day was it?
Saturday, June the 22nd.
This is a different day anyways.
That's the only one that I know that was on me for the birthday party.
On conditions that he's supposed to live up to. Doesn't matter if anyone else tells him differently. When he doesn't, there are serious consequences and he ends up going to jail because of it. What do I need to do to keep him out of trouble?
This is on you. You don't want to listen with me. What do you want to do?
Shh.
Listen to me, you go the right way. Now, this is the hard way you're going to.
And it's over, and it's over, and it's over.
I can't keep him in school. I put him in school every day. He's the one that's leaving.
So we will do this. You tell me what you want, and I will make it happen with him. What time does school stop?
He comes home at 3:30, 3 o'clock. What time?
School ends at 2:30. I get home by 3.
You want him home? I'm making that a condition of his probation now. He's got to go home.
I don't think he's in school in the summer, is he?
No,
What's he doing now?
right now.
Working landscaping right now.
Right now, just looking for work out there.
So he's not working.
Cutting grass, looking for work. I don't know.
So many different stories, Mr. Torres. It's crazy. It's
It's right now like I'm pushing him, but he's learning the hard way.
Judge, we had talked to you once before when he was trying to get a job working at 11 o'clock at night, and you wouldn't approve because it was too late, which is, and I understand because it was during school. He's not in school now for the summer session, but he is seeking other employment. And in the meantime, he's working for a landscaping company cutting grass, but he doesn't have a full-time job at the present time.
he needs to get a full-time job. I don't care if it's working at McDonald's. I don't care if it's working at Burger King, Home Depot, full-time job. I want you back here in 2 weeks to show me what you've done, Mr. Torres. If you've done nothing, it's not going to go well for you. I will give you my card. You have a direct line to me. If he starts acting a fool with you or starts playing games, call me. Tell Carl. I will come up and I'm going to straighten him out for you. If he doesn't do anything you say, come back and tell me, and I will straighten him out for you. All you got to do is say the word, and I'll jump on him so tough that I'm serious. If he starts, playing games, he starts going out smoking dope, doing anything like that, you still have a curfew with me, Mr. Torres. I'm not letting you out in the middle of the night. One way or the other, we're going to straighten you out. If it means putting you in custody repeatedly, I'll do it in a heartbeat. You're entering this deferred. As part of this probation, you must do an effective decision-making class, 4-hour anger management class, no drugs, no alcohol, 25 hours of community service, no harassing, threatening, or abusive contact with Victor Hugo Salazar, and proof of enrollment in high school. I want you back here in 2 weeks. Show me what you've done. If you don't have a job, something that you can prove to me other than your word, it's not going to go well. Come back. Show me and tell me how he's been. If you have any issues, please let me know. I'm here for you. I will do whatever you want me to do. Okay? Just Carl knows how to get a hold of me.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Torres, if you violate this thing, I'm going to put you in jail. The only thing we're going to talk about is how you violate it. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not going to let you plead guilty. I'm not going to let this go on your record. I will repeatedly put you in and let you out. And every time you violate, it'll go up by a week. So the first time, it's 1 week. You violate again, it's 2 weeks, and then I'm going to let you out. You play with me again, it's going to be 3 weeks. And that's the way we will do it until you straighten out. You understand? I'd like to send him for a drug test right now to make sure he's clean.
Okay.
How do you plead to this offense, Mr. Torres? I will not find you guilty. I will withhold that for 6 months, up to 15 years if I need to. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Mom, here's my card. If you need me.